If you want your jewelry website to look like a luxury brand and actually turn your visitors into customers, I'm going to show you some optimization tips to improve the layout and the navigation of your website. Let's get straight into the video. If you haven't yet set up your Shopify account, Shopify gives you a free 3-day trial so that you can set up your website. But there's actually a way that you guys can get an extended 3-month trial where you only have to pay $1 a month for your first 3 months on Shopify. This deal gives you 3 months to set up your website and start launching products before you have to commit to a plan just yet. I'm going to link in the description box where you guys can get this 3-month deal. The first way you can improve your jewelry website and optimize it better is to add a featured bestsellers collection on your website's homepage. When customers first land on your website, you can help them to know where to start shopping by displaying your top-selling products. I'm going to show you how to create an organized best-selling collection and also some different ways that you can display it on your homepage. On Shopify, you'll want to click Products. Then you want to click on Collections. This is where you can create new collections and manage your existing collections. You want to click the Add Collection button, and it's going to take you to the page where you can create a brand new product collection. So under title, you're going to want to title this something like bestsellers or top sellers. I'm going to scroll down, and then under collection type, you can decide if you want to manually add products to this collection or if you want to set the smart option so that you can set specific conditions to automatically add products to this collection. So for example, when you select smart, I'm going to change this to title. And in this box, I type in bracelet. That way the condition would be title contains bracelet. So any product that I launch on my store that has the word bracelet in the title is automatically going to be added to this collection. That's a way that you guys can use the smart feature if you don't want to manually have to add products to your collections. I'm going to select manual. And when you select the manual feature, you can just click browse. Then you can select the exact products that you want to add to the collection. Once you're done, you want to make sure that this collection is sorted to show your absolute top selling products at the very top. So next to sort, you'll want to make sure that this says best selling. It's going to arrange your products in the collection by your top selling at the very top. Next, you want to click save so that you can save your collection. And now I'm going to show you how to display the collection on your homepage. You'll want to open up your theme editor. Then on your homepage, you can scroll down and decide where you would like to place your featured collection. And once you find the spot on your homepage, you want to hover in between sections and then click add section. This way you can select which collection you would like to display. You can scroll down and see the different sections, and you can either select to insert the featured collection. If you don't see the featured collection, you can search for it using the search bar. So I'm going to be inserting this section. Once you added the featured collection, next to collection, you'll want to click the select button. This allows you to actually select that collection that you just now created. Once you selected the collection, you'll notice it should arrange your products with your top selling products showing first. Under heading, you can retitle the heading text. Next to heading size, this is where you can adjust the sizing of that heading text. If you want to customize how many products are showing on your collection, so for example, instead of 4 products showing, if you want 8 products to show, next to maximum products to show, you can increase or reduce this number of products that you would like to show on this section. You can also increase the number of columns that show on desktop. For example, in case you would like 6 products to show in a row. You can also apply a brand new color scheme to the section if you would like. And that's how to feature your best-selling products on your website's homepage. Another tip is instead of featuring your bestsellers, you can feature your new arrival products. You can basically do similar steps by creating a collection and titling it your new arrivals collection. And then for the sort option, you can select to sort your products by newest. That way your newest products should appear at the top of the list. Then you want to save your collection. Then you can feature that new arrivals collection on your homepage. This way your website visitors that land on your homepage will be able to quickly see a list of your newly launched products. You can title this new arrivals or new launches. Also, when you're in the process of launching new products to your store, I do have a product launch planner that you guys can use. It's a 42-page printable planner that you guys can use to plan out your product launches. Along with my product launch planner, I also have a Shopify store launch guide, which shows you how to get your entire Shopify store ready for launch. These are included inside my community, and all members get access to all of these digital resources that you see right here. As a member, you'll be able to download and enjoy all of these for free. It's a ton of digital resources that you'll need for your Shopify store. The next tip is to customize your website's main menu to create a smooth navigation for your website visitors. So inside your theme editor, you want to click on your website's header, and you should see all the editing options that you have to customize your website's header bar. You want to look for the menu section, and your main menu should be applied to your header. I'm going to click edit, and here it has opened up the main menu editing page. This is where you can customize the existing menu link, and you can add brand new menu links that lead to other pages inside your website. Specifically, I'll be showing you how to create a dropdown where customers can shop your different product collections. I'm going to click on this catalog menu item, and instead of it saying catalog, I've titled it products, and then I'm going to click the check mark. Now I'm going to be creating some sublinks underneath the products tab so that when customers click on products, it's going to show them a dropdown of your collection, and they can choose which collection to shop. I'm going to click add menu item, and then under link, I'm going to be selecting collection, and you can select which collection you want to add. So I'm going to select the bracelets collection, then I'm going to click the check mark. Next, you want to select your menu link, and then you can just drag it to the right and underneath the products tab. Then I'm going to click this check mark again. That way you've created a drop-down so that when customers click on products, it's going to show them a collection that they can click on. Then I'm going to click add menu item to products. And I'm going to repeat that step by adding another link to another collection. So this collection is going to be the necklaces collection. And you can repeat that to feature multiple collections on the dropdown. Once you're finished, I'm going to close the dropdown, and then you can click add menu item again in case you want to add more menu items to different pages inside your store. Next, I'm going to click save to save that updated menu. Back inside your website, you can take a look at that updated menu that you just customized. So here, when customers click products, it's going to show the drop-down where they can choose which collection they would like to start shopping. Customizing your main menu can help your customers find exactly the products they're looking for so that they don't get lost on your website. Keep watching because next I'll be showing you how to add a jewelry sizing chart to your product pages without you having to do any coding. If you guys also like the style of this website that I'm showing in this video, this is one of my Shopify templates, and I'll have it linked in the description box for you guys. It's a customizable Shopify theme, which can help you to save hours and even days of time from having to do your entire website on your own. I have a few different lines of Shopify themes for different business types, including if you have a clothing store, a jewelry or beauty store, and I have themes for many other business types. You can customize and change the colors. You can change the layout and add your own pictures to make the theme yours. It's also simple to install. On Shopify, you'll be able to click upload a zip file, and you can upload that theme zip file straight into your store. Then you can edit it, publish it, and launch your store. And also, just so there's no confusion with the install process, each of my themes come with a step-by-step digital install guide to show you exactly how to set up and install the Shopify template into your store. No coding is required, and any products you already have on your Shopify dashboard will sync up and add to the theme. Using a premium theme allows you to have a branded and optimized website without having to do everything from scratch. I'm going to link this Shopify template in the description box below, along with where you can check out my other lines of Shopify themes. For the next tip, I'll be showing you how to add a jewelry size chart to your jewelry products on your product page. This helps your customers to get a better idea of the size and dimensions of your jewelry products. On Shopify, you'll want to click products. Then you'll either want to open up one of your existing products or you can add a new product to your website. I'm going to open up one of my products. This is just an example for a bracelet, and you can add a size chart to your description and also to your media field. I'm first going to decide where in the description I'm going to be placing the size chart. I've opened up my community, and inside I have a specific size chart templates bundle, which has a variety of size charts for clothing and jewelry stores, so I'm going to download this. Again, when you're a member, you can download and enjoy every last one of these for free. Then I'm going to open up the template. And if you don't have a Canva account created, you'll just need a free Canva account to be able to open up the template. Once you open the template, you'll see that it has different size charts for different product types. These are going to be like hoodie and clothing size charts at the top. You want to scroll down until you see the jewelry size charts. So here is a bracelet size chart. You can customize the entire size chart to fit your specific type of bracelet. If you need to remove any of the rows, you can do that. You can also remove any of the sizes by clicking delete row. You can also make the actual chart larger. So here I'm just expanding the size of the chart. You can finish customizing the page, and you can also change the colors to match your branding. So I'm going to change the background colors of this section. Then I'm going to change the background color of the actual chart. So I'm going to click this color icon, and then I'm going to set basically a neutral background color. And I've also changed the background color of the actual page. To download your size chart, you'll want to click share and then click download. And then don't forget to select the specific page that you want to download to your computer. Then back inside Shopify, in your product description, you want to click on the area where you're going to put your size chart. And then you can click on the insert image icon to insert that size chart. And here's what it looks like once my size chart has been added. You can also select your size chart and you can make some further customizations to it. You can also customize the alignment of the size chart as well. You can scroll down and then also upload it here in your media field. I'm going to scroll up and then save this product. Now let's take a look at how the size chart appears on the product page. Inside your website, you can open up a product collection that product is added to, or you can also search for the product. I'm just going to open up my catalog page, and then I'm going to open up that product. Here's what my example product page looks like, with the size chart added to the description box, and also with it added to this media field. If customers want to see a close-up, they can click on this to see the size chart in full. That's how to add a size chart to your website. And just for a few more details about my community, it has a huge collection of Shopify resources designed to help you set up and manage your store on Shopify. Inside my community, there are website prompt packs to help you generate product descriptions, about us text, and other important website copy, along with size chart templates, product launch planners so that you can plan out your product launches. There's also my Shopify Basics guide, which is perfect for if you're brand new to the platform. Once you're a member, you'll have 24/7 access to download and enjoy every single digital item in the membership. The link for where you can join is in the description below. I hope you all enjoyed this video.